Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go through how to read CSV files in Python. So as you can see, I have a small CSV file here where we have names, ages and genders and 4 data entries. So I'm going to show how to process these using Python. So the first thing that we need to do obviously is to import our library, so import CSV, and then to open the file we need to do with open data.csv. So data.csv is the name of my CSV file. R for read mode, and as CSV file. So that's the name of my file object. So now to create a reader object, you need to do reader equals csv.reader and then the file object, so CSV file. So basically what this does is it creates a iterable object where we can go through line by line and do what we want to do. So now if we were to do for row in reader print row, you can see that we get each row in the CSV file but as a list. So if we wanted to get the names, for example, we could access it by this index like that, to get the ages like that. And let's say we wanted to not show the headers, we could type in next reader. Because it's an iterable object, we can use this next function, which makes it very easy. And if we wanted to, we could save the header into a variable. So we could do header equals next reader. So we could use this if we wanted to print out each row but save the header to use later. And you can see it works like that. So what if we wanted to access each column, but instead of using indexes, we access them by the header names? So we'd have to use a different type of reader. So instead of just this normal one, we'd have to use DictReader, and we need to get rid of this as well. And then yeah, as you can see, it turns each row into a dictionary using the header titles as keys. So now if we wanted to access the names column, for example, we just type in row name, and then yeah, same with the others. So this could be more convenient if you don't know the indexes of the headers, or even if you do know, like, just so you don't have to remember them. And yeah, we can also do some filtering as well. So we could write something like if int row age is greater than 32, print row. And this returns the entries of where the age is greater than 32. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. And if you like the video, please leave a like as well. Thank you.